Hey everyone, my name is Asim Aslam. I am the final year student from School of Electronics and Electrical Engineering. Today we are going to present our project. Our project title is Dynamic in Motion Wireless Charging for Highway Electrification. Today we are facing a lot of issue regarding the EV charging, and our EV is the future of our country as well. Recently, we have seen about the news related to the charging in Delhi, which we are getting a kind of shortage of charging stations. And in this fast world, no one has have that much time to just wait and charge their vehicle and invest 2 to 5 hours. This is the basic project, but we are using the advancement in which we are applying the suspension spring and piezoelectric material, which will be cost effective as well, and we don't need different separate lanes for the every vehicles. And because of the pressure of the curb weight of the vehicle, the suspension coil will totally transfer that pressure to the piezoelectric material, and it will generate some electricity which will send to or transfer to the power grid, and this will work accordingly.
Hello everyone, my name is Rasu Sharma. I am from Hathras, Uttar Pradesh. Now I am talking about my project. So you can see that we are using a lot of components is there. So here we are using ESP32 and this is a relay, and we are using motor here, and these are the capacitors. So we are using capacitor for store the energy for a vehicle, where you can use the energy to move the wheel. So like we are using the copper coil, and we are using the copper coil here also. Here you can see, and when our vehicle will touch in the copper coil, you can see that it will produce the electromagnetic induction, where the help of electromagnetic induction our vehicle will move continuously without any need of charging stations. So we are using the transformer also that will connect to the external charger, and we are using the capacitor and all. Here you can see the charger like it will increase up to 100%, and now it will move. So we are using the transformer, step down transformer, and you can see this is a resistors and all, and we are using the 6 resistor, 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is a basically a prototype. So there you can see the copper wire here, and there we are using the 3 copper wire, 67 turns is there, and we are using the primarily second copper wire like down the electric vehicles, and when it will contact, and when it will contact with the copper wire, our vehicle will move automatically. And you can see the LCD when it will connect with the copper wire, like charging will increase with the help of EMF induction, and when it will come in 100, it will move continuously.
One of the biggest challenges we faced during building this project is transferring the constant energy while the vehicle is in the motion. So we did different experiment by using different design of coil, like square design of coil and circle design of coil, so that we use a circular design of coil to transform a constant or efficient power to the capacitor.
So basically, we are having the problem statement. We are facing the shortage of power stations or charging stations for the electric vehicles. That's why we are aiming to reduce the cost and the area, which will be utilized for the other purpose. This is the dynamic in motion wireless charging for highway electrification, of course. And this is a basic idea, but we are still working on the advancement in which we are using the suspension spring and the piezoelectric material, which will totally experience the pressure of the curb weight of the vehicle, and both the piezoelectric material will be placed at the end of the segment, and the road will be not that much stable.
So you all know everyone, our government has announced that in 2030 they want to see the 75% EV in a road. So we are working on electric vehicles for this reason. Like we all know the power station is very less. So if we smart the highway, so the problem will be solved. because when a highway will be smart now, so we can charge the EV with the help of a highways. And you all know that Delhi government and Maharashtra government has totally announced that like in 2027 they want to see 30% EV will be there.
So this we made this project efficient charging stations and use like cost effective for the government as well, and it'll the most advancement in the future, and it'll the best replacement of the conventional vehicle.
And this is an alternative method of the power stations. You can charge the vehicle with the help of smart highway.